Greetings, fellow crypto enthusiasts, and welcome to my channel, where I bring you the latest news about crypto airdrops. Without further delay, let's dive right in. The claiming window for Puffer Finance is now open. You can check your eligibility by visiting the provided Puffer claiming page in the description. Start by connecting your wallet, ensuring you hold at least one staked token, or engaging in transactions and activities such as staking at Puffer. Moving on to the project itself, Puffer is the native governance token utilized for governing key protocol parameters across the Puffer and Unify ecosystem, selecting guardians, restaking operators, curating supported AVS, managing fee structures, and whitelisting new rollups for AVS support. The current price of Puffer is 55 cents, with a 24-hour trading volume of $434 million. A market cap of $56,540,000, and a market dominance of 0%. The Puffer price saw a 25.50% increase in the last 24 hours. Puffer reached its highest price on October 15, 2024, trading at an all-time high of $0.92, while its lowest price was recorded on October 14, 2024, at an all-time low of $0.29. The lowest price since its all-time high was $0.51, cycle low, and the highest Puffer price since the last cycle low was $0.55, cycle high. That concludes today's video. I hope you find it beneficial. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future airdrop news. Happy claiming, everyone!